Hain dapit ko no. Aw dida. Thank you for watching. Papasok na kami sa loob. Thank you for watching sa Summerboy channel.
Ato na what? Breakfast.
Breakfast. So, anay. Summerboy channel.
Sige sir. Ikaw nanay mo bag sir. Tapos daw nanay.
Ay, kamali ko dito.
Kaon na ni sir.
Mga ngaon nanay ko no kami. Yeah. Nay. Ano pa daw niya? Brother Jackprot. Brother Jackprot. Technology Promotion Market. Bali ito dito yung facility nila. Ang ganda naman ng facility nila. Ito yung kuha nila. Dito na siguro yaman yung Pilipinas. Isa lang ka pa lang. Maraming salamat. Subscribe and like sa Summerboy channel. Ano?
Nagpicturean ko. Nakapag-harvest na kami.
Tikman na natin yung ano nila. Marami ng tao. Balik kami lang siguro ang first time dito. Kami lang.
To acknowledge the participants of this Jackfruit R&D Technology Promotion, Market Matching, and Investment Forum here in NIA Training Center Regional Office, Tacloban City. First, we have the frontliners of this activity, the Jackfruit Growers, Key Players, and Farmers Association. Started with our consolidator, we have the Samar Multipurpose Cooperative, SAMICO. Please stand to be acknowledged, the SAMICO Group. Okay, we have two representatives, early birds ni sila. So, under the sub-network of SAMICO, we have the Solid Dapdap Farmers and Fishermen's Association, Tarangnan, Samar. Please stand. Sila gihapon. Yes, and coming pa ang under the SAMICO Group, Linvista Upland Rice Farmers Association, and Mahayaganon Farmers Multipurpose Cooperative. Coming pa sila. So we have the second consolidator from the Baybay City Jackfruit Association. Please stand to be acknowledged. We have 3 representatives from Baybay City Jackfruit Growers Association under the subnetwork of Abuyog St. Francis Javier Credit Cooperative, Mahaplag Jackfruit Growers Farmers Association, and Inupakan Jackfruit Farmers Association. Some are nag-confirm and coming pa po. We have the 3rd consolidator from Ormoc City Jackfruit Farmers Agriculture Cooperative. Daghan sila. We have 7 representatives, 8 representatives from Ormoc City Jackfruit Agriculture Cooperative. Thank you. And then from other farms and association, please stand kung matawag ang inyong group or association to be acknowledged. From the Golden Agriventure Agriculture Cooperative San Francisco, Southern Leyte. Please stand. Okay, we have 2 representatives. From Yadad's Integrated Farm, Macrohon, Southern Leyte. We have 1 representative. From Abuyog Cacao and Tropical Fruits Grower Association, Abuyog, Leyte. We have 4 representatives. From Matinao Farmers Association, Burauen, Southern Leyte. We have 2 representatives. From Balinsasayang Small Scale Farmer Association, we have 1 representative. From Katmon View Workers Farmers Association, Tabango, Leyte, we have 3 representatives. From Tinag-an Apollo Salvacion Farmers Association, Albuera, Leyte, we have 2 representatives. From as far as private grower, from Valencia, Bukidnon, we have 2 representatives. Other support from the jackfruit stakeholders, key partners, from the CLGU, PLGU, LGU, and DA attached agencies, from City Local Government Unit of Ormoc City. Can please stand to be acknowledged? Okay, we have 1 representative from LGU Abuyog. Yes, we have 1 representative from the LGU Baybay. We have 1 representative. Na ako'y na-miss from the jackfruit key players, growers, farmers associations, and from our jackfruit stakeholders, key partners. And we have also from DA attached agencies, we have the Bureau of Plant Industry in SQCS. We have Ma'am Loida Ultra, our Chief of BPI in SQCS. And from our Eastern Visayas Jackfruit Industry Development Council Incorporated, headed by our chairman, our former director, Engineer Miguel A. Pedroso, the members of the Eastern Visayas Jackfruit Council, the officers, please stand up. We have the Vice Chairman and the officers of the Eastern Visayas Jackfruit Industry Development Council Incorporated. And from the DARFO 8, we have also from the Department Trade and Industry, okay, headed by Ma'am Arlene. Please stand up. Yes, ma'am, from DTI. So we have from BPI, NSQCS, and DTI as our attached government agencies. From the DARFO 8, headed by our Regional Executive Director, Dr. Andrew Orais, we have here our RDD for Research and Regulations, Dr. Elvira C. Torres, ma'am. And we have the full support from our DARFO 8 divisions. So started with the Field Operation Division, headed by Sir Rodel Macapañas. Under that, the High Value Crops Development Program, spearheaded by our Program Coordinator. We have Miss Ferlin Basañez and all the SBCTP staff for this banner commodity jackfruit. and together with our APCO. Please stand up, our APCO from Southern Leyte and Gateway District. We have also the support from our Research Division Group, headed by our Chief of Research Division, Dr. Leonarda Lundina. Together with her, the Station Superintendent, Section Chief of Research Division from San Miguel Station, Abuyog Experiment Station, San Jorge Experiment Station. Okay, thank you. And we have also the support from our Admin and Finance Division. We have our Chief of Admin, Dr. Jenny Elmaria. And from our Agribusiness Marketing Assistance Division, headed by Sir Francis Rosaroso, we have our AMAD staff. With our consolidating enterprise approach, we have the special locally funded program that support this activity. We have the F2C2, the Farm and Fisher for Clustering and Consolidation Program, and also the Philippine Rural Development Project, who are one of the highlight of this activity is more on the enterprise and consolidation approach in the market matching and investment forum. I think that's all for the participants of this Jackfruit R&D Technology Promotion, Market Matching and Investment Forum. As to update with the attendance, we have 60 private growers, partners, Jackfruit stakeholders, key partners present, and 20 from the government agencies. Thank you and mabuhay!
Wow, thank you so much, Ms. Deborah Ortega. This activity is well attended po, and thank you po sa malalayo, Bukidnon, Baybay, Ormoc, Albuera. So thank you po.
Matamis talaga yung ano nila. Langka.
Okay, so sabi ng isang Chinese proverb, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The next best time is now. More than 20 years ago, we started our jackfruit industry in Region A. I remember I was still armchair farmer that time, in 1986, when I read about an article in one of the agribusiness magazine, Mr. and Miss. I don't know if you remember that. Nagkaroon ng agricultural magazine, Mr. and Miss. And in one of the article I read that jackfruit is one of the crop that is suited for Region A. So pumasok yun sa isip ko. That's why when I retired, separated from the industry in 1999, I was really determined that jackfruit is my crop of choice. I availed of that early retirement in one of the manufacturing plants here in Leyte. Sabi nga nila, too young to retire, but too old to look for another job. That's why I went into farming. And jackfruit talaga yung naisip ko na itanim. So, when I transferred to Calbayog City, because my wife is from there, so I am now in Calbayog by heart, transferred to Calbayog City, so I look around. Saan ba ako pwedeng makakuha ng planting material na itatanim? So, sabi na si Dick Couture, you try yung Popcom. So I went to Popcom. Sabi nila, naubusan yung mga planting material namin pinamigay na natin, no? Kasi dati, hindi lang yung City Agriculture na gumagawa ng tawag nito, livelihood programs. So, I shop around until I met one of the icons of jackfruit industry in Cavite City, the late engineer Jude Chan. So, na-meet ko. So, sabi niya, okay, he's in a group. That was in 1999. And we were able to avail of the Plant Now Pay Later na naging Plant Now Pay Later program of the Department of Agriculture. So, walang mga takers noon I think nauna yung Ormoc ata na nag-avail ng program as early as 1996, I think. We were able already to plant jackfruit in Ormoc under the program. Kami sa Calbayog, we started in 2000. 32 growers, 52 hectares. Ang ganda yung namin noon kasi paghawak ng calculator, yung ganda. Really, potential niya is malaki. Unfortunately, we were hit by the dieback disease in 2005. Halos na-wipe out yung jackfruit namin doon sa Calbayog City. Yours truly is the last man standing for jackfruit in Calbayog City.